In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to SSH into your DigitalOcean Droplet using an SSH key quickly and efficiently. First and foremost, before we dive into this process, having your SSH key ready is crucial. If you haven't already created one, let's ensure it's set up. To begin, if you're on a Mac or Linux, open Terminal, and if you're on Windows, launch PowerShell. This is where we'll generate your SSH key. You'll start by typing in the command SSH keygen. This command will create a private public key pair, which is essential for establishing a secure connection to your server. When prompted, simply press enter, which will save your generated SSH key in the default directory. Next, you need to add your newly generated SSH key to your DigitalOcean account. This step is crucial because it binds the key pair to your account, allowing you to access the server securely. To do this, navigate over to DigitalOcean.com. Once there, head to the Create section and select Droplet. This will take you into the configuration area for your new server. As you proceed, make your way to the authentication methods, and here you want to ensure you select SSH keys. If you haven't already added a key, you'll see an option labeled New SSH Key. Click on it, and you'll need to paste the public part of your SSH key. This is generally found in the .ssh directory, either as ID RSA pub or ID ed25519.pub, depending on the type of key you generated. Once pasted, click Add SSH Key to confirm. The system now recognizes your key for secure access. With this in place, you can continue configuring your droplet. After setting up your desired specifications, create your droplet. DigitalOcean will provision your server, and once ready, you'll receive an IP address. Make a note of this IP address as it will be instrumental for the next steps. With your droplet up and running, navigate back to your terminal or PowerShell. Now you'll SSH into your server. Use the command SSH root at your droplet IP, replacing your droplet IP with the IP address you noted earlier. The first time you attempt to connect, the system might ask you to verify the authenticity of the host. If prompted, simply type yes to continue. By completing these steps, you've successfully established an SSH connection to your DigitalOcean Droplet. Leveraging SSH ensures that your interactions with your server remain secure and encrypted, a vital aspect of managing any server environment. I hope this guide was clear and helpful in getting your connections set up smoothly.